family and friends. I'm going to share a really simple recipe today. When I don't feel good and I'm getting sick, this is usually what I want. And I've made it for friends and family, and you just can't go wrong. But all I'm doing for this time is I'm using a organic chicken broth, and I'm going to pour it into the saucepan, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then I'm going to whip 3 eggs when this is boiling, and I'll just slowly drizzle it in. Chicken broth is healing, and yes, it is. But when you add the eggs to it, it adds a protein that your body needs as well. And I use the whole egg because the whole egg is a whole food in itself. So I'm just going to take, while this is heating up, I'm just going to take my 3 eggs and I'm going to beat them up. Now, I've also made this with, I bought a rotisserie chicken at the store, and I prefer the chicken breast, so I'll take the chicken breast out and then I'll boil the rest of the carcass and strain all the skin, the meat, everything out, and I'll keep the broth and use that as well. And then I'll use all the other chicken meat for enchiladas or pulled chicken sandwiches. I'll just use the meat for other recipes. But this right here, this is my go-to when I don't feel good recipe. And it works. It just feels good on the body. And those of you who have done it understand what I'm talking about. So let's give this a minute to come to a boil, and then we'll add the eggs. Now that it's come to a boil and my eggs are all beaten up, I'm going to very slowly pour it into the boiling broth, and it will instantly cook the eggs. And you don't want to be rough with it. You want to kind of keep the eggs, you can kind of see how it is. And this is really good and healthy when you're sick or getting sick. I promise you, you will feel better. So that's it for today. Enjoy. Let me know if you use this or if you're going to use it. And until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.